Alright, I noticed a lot of people been having trouble with these Chrysler, the outboard springs here, they keep on slipping out. I thought I'd show you what you got to do to fix this issue. Hopefully you can see that properly. And what you got to do is, you hook up your clamp. I've got a big welding clamp here. And what you do is you hold it with your hand, you put a little tack on there, just a very minute tack, and then quickly dip it straight in the cold water to cool it down. If you don't, you actually melt it. You've got to do that a few times, just repeat the process. Take your time, and that's how you, I've got a couple cotter pins in there first to put round it, and I try to clamp the pin in position. I did try and use Devicon to lock it in there, and that didn't work, it come off. So I was looking at how you can make a repair of this problem, and this is what you do: put that weld on there. And that will be good now, it won't slip out. So it's a very easy process. Just take your time and you put another tack on there. I put about 5 tacks on there. The hardest one to get started was actually getting the MIG wire. Let me torch over here. Can't hold it with both hands. But I found the hardest to actually get started was to put a tack on there and then quickly dump it in with the earth clamp, because my torch is pretty big. I found just to get it, touch the wire quickly, then dump it in the water, and that's a permanent repair. Or as far as I can see, and reckon it will be. It's actually MIG welded to the coil wire. It pokes up through there, it comes straight up, and I welded other shit to it, off it on both sides, left and right side. And yeah, and it won't matter if that hangs out a little bit, because that piece actually hangs out the bottom. This piece here, where you can see where it's rubbed, that's the only piece there. That piece, that little bit there, the collar it's rubbed into it, is the only piece that's going in the tube. So whatever you do here, as long as it's not sticking out very much, it'll be good. And if you have any questions about this Chrysler pull start repair, leave in the comment section, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.